Alright guys, so this is the first official Workshop Wednesday. Over the next few weeks you're going to meet all these guys. These are all my team here. There's a couple missing. I don't know if they called in sick or whatever, but we'll get to the bottom of it. So this first Workshop Wednesday is going to be really what I haven't been working on Wednesday. And I know you guys are going to flood me with comments and kick my ass about this diesel bike. Come on over here. So we started this bike. It's got a 3-cylinder diesel turbo. It rolls black coal. Man, I've been messing with this thing, or actually not messing with it, for the last 3 years. The radiators are in the saddlebags. I mean, the design I have in my head for this thing is going to be a work of art, and we are going to get to this. It's got an open belt drive. It's got a Jim 6-speed. The pipes in the back. I walk by it every day, and I gotta, man, I don't know I don't know how to get. Do you ever have anything that you just keep walking by, like your lawn when you need to mow it? It's kind of like that. I'll walk by and the grass just keeps getting taller and taller. Pretty soon I can't even see that thing. I just walk right by it. But I'm going to get on it, I promise. And that's going to be part of one of the Workshop Wednesdays. Hope you guys tune in. We've got a bunch of good stuff planned. My guys are psyched. I'm going to take you to eat with each one of our guys and show you what we do, how we do it. As we have projects coming, you're going to see the start, like those speaker pods. You're going to see the middle, you're going to see the end, and then we're going to have an instructional video how to install it. I'm going to find one of our dealers to haul ass and paint it and install it on one of their badass bikes, and then you're going to see the finished product. Everybody have a great Wednesday. This is no Workshop Wednesday. Yeah.